Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a two-balloon motorcycle. I'm going to jump straight into the tutorial, so if you appreciate that, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps my channel, and that's a super small, free way that you can show your support. You can also subscribe to my channel for some more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Some supplies you're going to need are a dual-action hand inflator, two 260 size balloon twisting balloons. Links to both of these items can be found in the description below. Once you've gathered your supplies, let's get started. I'm going to start off by inflating both of my balloons to about 4 finger length tail. With my first balloon, I'm going to create a 3 to 4 inch section followed by a 1 inch bubble that I turn into an ear twist. Remember, an easy way to do ear twists is to fold both balloons down, pinch both sides, lift up the bubble, and twist it around a few times. Now I'm going to create another 3 inch section with another ear twist. There's my section. Now I need a 1 inch bubble that turns into an ear twist. This is going to be one of my handlebars. Now I'm going to create the other handlebar. I'm going to do almost the exact same thing that I did on my first balloon to my second balloon, except I'm not going to add this last ear twist. So I'm going to do a 3 inch section, an ear twist, then another 3 inch section. Now that I have my two handlebars, I'm going to attach this twist into this twist to create a joint. These are kind of tight twists in here, so what I'm going to do is put pressure on the rest of my balloon because the air has somewhere to go because of this tail. I'm going to squeeze those together and twist them around. Now I'm going to orient these first two sections that I made to make them look like handlebars. There we go. Now, whichever color you want the front wheel to be, use that color and create a 3 inch section. Now I'm going to create a 4 inch loop twist by bending the balloon, putting pressure on it, and twisting this loop twist around. Now I'm going to create another loop twist, which is going to be about 2 inches, much smaller than the first one. Now what I'm going to do is stick this smaller loop twist perpendicularly through this first ear twist. So now I should have something that looks like a front tire here. Now I'm going to create a twist with both of these balloons about 7 inches back from the tires. You can determine the shape of your motorcycle by pulling back or pushing forward on your top balloon. I kind of like the front of my motorcycle to kind of be leaning back a little bit, so I'm going to pull back on this top balloon before I twist. Now I'm going to make the back tire with the opposite color balloon that I made this front tire with, so that's going to be my orange. It's feeling a little bit tight, so I'm going to squeeze it a little bit to soften it before I start making these two loop twists. There's my first loop twist. And there's my second loop twist. You guys know what to do. Put this small one through the back one to make it look like a motorcycle tire. Now I'm going to create the mudguard over the back tire with whichever one of these balloons has more room to twist. For me, I have more tail on my black balloon than I do my orange balloon, so I'm going to use the black. I'm going to create a 1 inch section, then a 1 inch bubble, and turn the second 1 inch bubble into an ear twist. Orient it so it's going over the back tire. You can even put a little bit of bend in it if you'd like. And for this orange one, I'm just going to do a quick break, tie off the end, and wrap it in and hide it in between this tight twist right here. And there you have your two balloon motorcycle. If this was helpful, don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps my channel, and it's a super small, free way that you can show your support. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. Let me know in the comments below which balloon shapes you'd like to learn next. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.